Hello, my dearest students. Welcome back to my channel. Last time, I showed you how to find for the mode for group data, and today, what I want to show you is another way of solving the mode using this formula. Then, after you see how we solve for the mode using this formula, you decide which one of the two is easier to use. So for this formula, LBMO is the lower boundary of the modal class. D1 is the frequency of the modal class minus the frequency above. D2, the frequency of the modal class minus frequency below. And I is your interval or upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. The D1 and the D2 is for increasing order, but if the given data is arranged in decreasing order, you have to switch D1 and D2. Given the frequency distribution table, find the mode. So, how to find the mode? First, find the modal class. What is modal class? It is the class with the highest frequency. So as you can see in the frequency distribution table, the highest number of calls is 26, and that falls in the class limit, class interval from 6 to 10. So therefore, this class limit, class interval highlighted by green is your modal class. So how do we find for the mode? Let us use this formula, but before that, let us identify the value of the lower boundary. And lower boundary is lower limit minus 0.5. So 6 minus 0.5 equals 5.5. D1 is the difference between the frequency of the modal class minus the frequency above. So this will be 26 minus 12 is equal to 14. So D1 is 14. How about D2? D2 is the difference between the frequency of the modal class minus the frequency below. So this is D2 equals 26 minus 20 is equal to 6. And your I interval is simply 6 minus 1, 11 minus 6, 16 minus 11, and so on is 5. So the interval is 5. So let us find the mode. Plug in the value of the lower boundary, which is 5.5 plus D1 is 14 and D2 is 6 and your interval is 5 equals 5.5 plus 14 divided by 20 times 5 equals 5.5 plus 20 and 5 are divisible by 5, so this will be 4, and 14 divided by 4, both divisible by 2, so this is 7 over 2 is equal to 3.5. So 5.5 plus 3.5 is equal to 9. So therefore, the mode for this frequency distribution table is 9, and 9 falls in between 6 and 10. And so, if you don't have a calculator and you don't want to solve it this way, you can actually use Mathway. So let us enter the values. 5.5 plus parentheses, and then we have fraction 14 over 14 plus 6 times 5 and enter. And it will give you the answer, which is 9. So I hope that you've learned new things from me, And now, after seeing the two formulas, you decide which is easier and convenient to use in finding for the mode. So, if you appreciate this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and consider yourself subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good one and keep safe. Bye.